The museum is going to be represented at the 75th anniversary of D-Day ceremonies because one of the SEAL's predecessor units, the Naval Combat Demolition Units, featured prominently in clearing the obstacles, the German obstacles that were placed in the path of the Allies as they came ashore. And they took extremely heavy casualties there, 52% at Omaha Beach. From a military standpoint, an amphibious landing is one of the most difficult operations to execute. And this was the largest one ever conducted. It was on a huge scale. And so from that standpoint, to military people and possibly others, it's quite interesting.
Some of the landing barges are stopped by concrete obstacles built far out in the water by the enemy.
This event is what got our toehold back onto the continent of Europe and eventually led to it being freed from Nazi oppression. People nowadays, I don't know how much kids learn in school these days, but it's a profoundly important historical event that everybody really should know a little bit about at least. If you don't understand your own history, then you're liable to repeat it, and you're liable to really not know where you're going to go in the course of your own lifetime in your own country. History doesn't exactly repeat itself, but it kind of rhymes in certain times. So that's why I think it's very important to understand a little bit about those landings.